Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a car and drive it manually. So first of all, you want to go ahead and press P on your keyboard. After that, press Dream Car and you want to press Buy. After that, let's choose, for example, SUV, press Buy, choose a color and buy it. Purchase, press OK. Now after you've done that, you need to wait for the car. Now you want to go ahead and press on the car, press Get In, sit in the driver's seat. Now, once it will sit in the driver's seat, you can also go ahead and press it one more time if your sim didn't sit on it. Once your ZOI is in the car and you want to drive it manually, you want to press Escape, then go to Options, then go to Gameplay, and on driving you want to turn on manual driving and then apply the changes, exit it, and after that you can simply drive your car. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.